My childhood was quite free. We lived in the middle of nowhere, cooking over fires in my garden. Cooking over fire changes your approach to food. It adds character, it adds flavour, it adds the smokiness. You see the food cooking, you see it change in front of you, you see it blister, you see it crackle. My philosophy on food is keep it simple. It's unpretentious, it's well sourced, it's not complicated cooking. The ingredients do the hard work for you, the fire does the hard work for you. Yeah, it's utterly simple. How's that look? I never get bored of baking bread. The magic, if you like, of how it rises, the blistering and the charring, the crunchy crust, it's so satisfying. It's the simple things. I want my kitchen to be a happy place. Having a kitchen that's completely stable and predictable is boring. It's important that we have a great relationship in the kitchen. Happy chefs make better food. Good food makes people happy. You know, it's a little circle of joy, and that's what it's about. Ha 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 ha!